parking lot in the house. So this is how to tight the spoiler in your vehicle, because I put only a strap, black strap, a simple strap. So the spoiler we need to tight, especially in the highway or in the wind or winter. If winter is getting it's like freezing the strap, so we need to tight it before it's dark this evening at 8 a.m. 8 p.m. or 8:30 tonight. So we're getting rushed now this video just to show you how to tight permanently the spoiler in your front hood. See? Okay, spoiler in your front hood. Okay, so I put it only a strap both sides, so we need to tight it. I give you a tips how to do this. Okay, this is the temporary strap for the spoiler. So we need to tight this. So if windy in the highway or winter, not broken, strap. Um, so we need to tightly give you some tips. It's evening now. Okay, we can start now. We use a drill bit. It's almost raining, so we need to get in wash this. Okay. Okay. Get in tight. First thing to do is drill this. So not bobby, only become support of this tool. Okay. Okay, that's the hole. This is the tips that I give to you how to tight the spoiler in your vehicle. Okay, only support both sides. Okay, so what to do to become a permanent. Let's do this. Okay, all this and drill it. It's broken back. It's broken piece. I need a long nose for this. Okay. Okay. So there's a hole. There's a hole now. You can put 2 or 1 screw like this. Just a support because there's a 2 support. So we need a deep screw. Okay. Just to not moving in the highway or windy. Okay. Or winter, so not broken that the zip lock. This is the zip lock. Okay, this is the support. Okay, let's do this. So there's a hole. Okay, hole. Okay, it's important, not moving, not too much tight. Okay, simple. See, it's too much tight. Make sure no holes on the top of the wood. Okay. So next again, other side. See, there's a hole and a screw. See, support zip lock. Okay. And support zip lock. There's one screw, so we can check if moving. Oh, so tight now. So it's positive, one more or nothing. Okay, but we try to support. Okay. This hole. Okay. Again, the tips we use a drill bit. Okay. using your drill gun to drill deep in your drill gun. Okay. Drill gun. Another hole last. Hold. Counter. Okay. So there's a hole now in that spot. This one. There's a hole. Okay, we put one screw, it's done. Okay. Change the bit. Number 6 bit. Okay. Can adjust the light of my drill. Okay. That's the hole. That's the hole you can see with my drill light. Okay. Another support. Make sure not broken, so it's light only. It's like a pump the gas, pump the trigger. Okay. Okay. And make sure there's no hole in the top of the wood. Okay. Let's check. Okay. It's totally evening now. No shaking. We check out the top of the bottom. At the back of the spoiler. Check again if there's a hole of the screw. Okay, positive. It works. Okay, those are the tips how to tight the spoiler in your van or any cars on the front of the wood or on the top of the wood. Okay, so check again. Moving. Moment every winter, remove this, put strap, put again strap or ziplock. Now it's good. See, not moving too much tight. Even you remove the ziplock. That's all, guys. So if you want more tips, just click the button or click the bell for notification and subscribe for more tips and videos to come. Okay, guys. See you guys. Good night. See you again. Bye, guys.